Sanibonani and welcome back to another video where we talk all things ingane zesithembu. Yo, Sana, the streets are talking and I thought I should just share this conversation that I saw on Facebook. I was so shocked to see people abanawo amahloni. How can people be so comfortable to just share their deepest, darkest thoughts on social media with no care ukuthi abantu bazothini? I saw this post from a lady called Unokwazi. Uthi-ke Unokwazi yena cha-ke kodwa mina angithandi uma umpumelelo ezoqala ngotirelo ukumlobola. I think umona cela ningikhulekiseni bo ngixoshe lo mona othutiri abagcine ngaye. When I tell you ukuthi bengi-shocked ukuyifunda lento le ngoba it does seem like uyipostile ugeli to get ama-reactions from abantu because mhlampe uyazi ukuthi akekho yedwa because you cannot be comfortable to post into kanje wazi kahle ukuthi you're gonna get backlash. Shuthi she knew ukuthi khona abantu abavumelana naye because people are laughing, they are liking, they are loving the post. Ngivele ngacabanga ukuthi yazi guys, ngempela baqinisile, especially the reality show personalities. Bahlezi bethi people are hating on us but they actually want our lives. And mina I never used to believe that. I used to think ukuthi nje abantu are just criticizing izinto abayibukayo mhlawumbe bezenza on TV. But now I understand that as much as we frown upon behavior kaSmindi and criticize Utirelo for her part in the whole situation, there are some people out there wishing for Utirelo to fall and to suffer to the point where they obsess over it, while others think they would do better in a situation kaTirelo, who wouldn't mind taking indawo yakhe. So this is what people said in response to post kaNokwazi. Uxolo yena uthi udinga umkhuleko sisi ukwenzeni le engaka. Uthanda yena uthi wathi bazophuma same day abakhongi nje, and then uthoko uthi kodwa okusalayo unumber 1 kusazoba umZulu, and then ukhumbu uthi ncese sisithandaza leyo nto nje idede ayilungile. And then wasathi-ke ubushekazi uthi makahambe ayogwaza uSne uTiri, which is that reference kaMseleku enehaba ethi uSne wagwaza ingane zakhe kubeni wabakhomba ngomese. Uno yena uthi wayethi umfazi oqala kuzoba umZulu nje, kanti-ke uMonica uthi ngoku wayethela mpumelelo umfazi okuqala kumele abe litshitshi ngubhonyongo nje lamntana ongadodisekanga. Then uAgnes uthi okusalayo uTirelo unkosikazi wezinyanya. Unoma wethu uthi na shuthi lesizulu wayethetha ngaso asikho unamanga lo mfana wayefuna nje ukukhipha uvuyo. Kanti-ke uMvelenhle yena uthi umfazi wasemzumbe wathi uzomlobola kuphela. So does it mean ukuthi amahle uzolotshola aphinde ashade yini? Uthi uAndiswa yena cha uright impela engumfazi wedlozi cause wathi phela owakhe umfazi owes3. And then uSibongile wamphendula wathi angisayithembi mina into ekhulunywa ngulo mfana, wathi uzothatha itshitshi as first wife cause ngumfazi wamadlozi. Manje uTirelo uyongena enjalo emadlozini, kusho ukuthi uAmahle ngowababa wakhe then owakhe ke okuyena yena useza. So guys, this is what some people are saying on social media, and it made me think back to the time when kusakhulunywa ngo-number 5 ukuthi uyangena noma kangeni. Abanye ke sebazi ukuthi u-number 5 is actually this young girl ongaba ingane yakhe uMseleku. And it made me think about some of the people who were commenting, although they were hating but also they were envious of uMakhwela. One person commented into efike ingihlekise ngabantu baku social media, bonke ba perfect akekho nje yena ongathandana nomuntu okhulile kunaye. Hayi ni perfect shame, kodwa ke abanye benu deep down bayazi ukuthi empilweni zethu ku rough sifisa ithuba. And then one other person uTumi wathi go girl, I would have done the same nami. If he's looking for number 6, add your cousin. Some people were auditioning ukuthi bona nje they are open to being the 6th wife and 7th wife, 8th wife because bayabona ukuthi they would benefit, they would live a much better life than what they are living. Another person uthi nje umona nje okini hayi bandla. Untomfuthi yena wathi ngikhona mina Musa abahambe abahambayo. And lastly, uShai yena wathi, imagine being a wife and have a number attached to you. Okay, maybe I'll be number 11, who knows? Let me tool. Ngiyabona-ke sana ukuthi gayizini sizothi thina siyakhomenta nabantu on social media, bona behate, yaye umuntu asho nje the most vile things, kanti umuntu unomona, kanti nayo uyayibona ephila lempilo le abayiphilayo. And I'm just so confused, guys. Like, if you know ukuthi this could be you, like mase kuthanda uyakushela umseleko noma uyakushela usibindi, why would you go on social media and bash indlela abaphila ngayo? Only to then say ukuthi nami I would take the opportunity. If you understand, then don't say anything. It's just hypocritical ngempela ukuhate komuntu ekubeni nawe ungayibona uphila leyo mpilo.